Okay, for those of us with the Canton universal dipstick, always oil leaks. Almost all the time I've dealt with these in the past. But I figured out something. Works fairly well. O-ring from the kit. The 12 works out real well. Clamps in. You can do a dry test, but you'll see where there's a tiny bit of shear on this guy, and that was after about 20 dry tightenings and loosenings. So it's about perfect for compressing just in the little recess and in the empty area around the flare. So that should take care of it. Then it's just some RTV on the NPT threads. Fords.